Hi there! So here is the Mi Super Bass wireless headphones. I got these from Amazon for 1799 rupees. So how good are they? Well, let's find out. In this video we shall unbox it, we shall review it, and I'll let you know whether you should buy this or not. So continue watching. This is your friend Tech Singh. Let's get started. So before we begin, subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so that you don't miss any updates. Let's jump into the unboxing. So here is the Mi Superbass wireless headphones, and on the top you can see 20 hours of playback time, 40mm dynamic driver, light and comfortable, Bluetooth 5.0. And this one is the golden and black. There is also a red and black available. On the back there are some more details, the MRP, the price, the weight. Let's open this up quickly. Inside the box you have a basic user manual which is in English. Then you have a micro USB to USB cable to charge the headphones, and you have an aux cable which is a 3.5mm to 3.5mm which you can use with the headphones when the juice runs out. And you have the Mi Super Bass headphones. Let's have a closer look. And there you go. Wow, that's nice. This is totally made of plastic but really good. Okay, these are extenders so that accordingly it will fit your head size. There's Mi branding, golden Mi branding on both the sides with this lovely texture. Looks nice. The finish and build quality is nice. It's extremely light as well. Cushions are also nice and soft. Oh, they've got this nice setting also. There you can adjust them accordingly, and they hold and grip nicely, and they can create a good seal, because once this adjusts perfectly they create a better seal. They have a nice brownish golden border on both the sides. It's not actually like gold, it's more like ochre and little yellow, more than it's not exactly gold, but it gives the illusion of gold. Okay, so on the right down below you have the micro USB to charge these, an aux 3.5mm aux when the juice runs out, and you have all the buttons here. So this is the volume up and down, and this is the pairing button and to turn it on. There is also a small LED light here. This is an LED light here, and here is a microphone here for phone calls. So the cushions are also really nice and soft, which is really good. Yeah, it's nice. And I love these cushions. They're very soft. They're really soft. I like that they have that L&R written inside the ear cups so you don't get confused. Let's quickly pair it and try it. Pairing it is a standard procedure. Press and hold the power button to enter pairing mode, and the name pops up on your phone. So let's wear it and see. These are over-the-ear headphones. They are extremely light and comfortable. The ear cups are soft and not too tight. The grip is just perfect. They create a very good seal. The buttons are smartly hidden behind the right ear cup when you wear the headphones. Overall, the Mi headphones fit very well. Coming to the sound quality. Firstly, the bass. It's crazy good. You can feel the thump on your eardrums. Bass lovers are gonna love it. The vocals are clear, mids and highs are quite pleasant. The volume on these get really loud and they don't distort even at full volume. Overall, the Mi Superbass wireless headphones don't disappoint. The sound quality is genuinely impressive. Use them for phone calls and they work quite good indoors. The person on the call didn't have any problems hearing me, and the voice reception on the headphones was also quite clear. Indoors, they should do fine. So in my conclusion, firstly, the build quality is really impressive. Though it's plastic build, but still the build quality is nice. I like the way they've written left and right on inside the cups, which are usually such a pain when you're looking for left and right, because they're written so small in most of the headphones. So that's a nice touch to it. I like the golden color as well. There is a red color available as well, but I like the golden one. It looks a little flashy. It looks a little different from the regular headphones that are available in this budget firstly. The cups are also nice, pretty adjustable, and they fit in well. They're pretty comfortable. The headphones are light. Coming to the sound quality, the bass is really good. Trebles are good, mids are okay, but the bass is excellent. So bass lovers, this is for you. Okay, battery life is something I couldn't check. It claims 20 hours. I'm sure it will be somewhere around that. I've just unboxed it, so I cannot predict the battery life, but I assume that battery life will be pretty solid on these headphones. Phone call quality was also quite good. You could talk indoors, outdoors. Again, these are not recommended for outdoor use for phone calls. Indoors, they work pretty well. Overall, it's a good device. 1700 rupees is great. I'll leave the links below. If you want to buy one, do check it out. So I hope this video was helpful. Write down in the comments and give me your feedback about this video. If there are any questions regarding the Mi headphones, do put them down as well. Also, don't forget to like this video, share this video, and subscribe to my channel for many more videos like these. Until next time, cheers.